Have you ever looked at houses that have been on the market for a very, very long time and you think to yourself, what is wrong with that house? Well, there may not be anything wrong with the house. It may just be in what we call Limbo Land. I'm Michelle Plasick with Realty Advantage.
And I'm Kim Malden with Realty Advantage, and together we are Buy, Sell, Love San Antonio. Today we're going to show you how to keep your house out of Limbo Land. So Limbo Land houses can scare off good quality potential buyers, and they also invite lowball offers, and nobody wants those.
And typically what we call Limbo Land is that the house is priced too high for what the actual value is. Many times sellers will think that the Zestimate that they find on Zillow or the estimate that they find for their tax assessment is what their house is worth, and that can't be farther from the truth.
Not true. In fact, Zillow will tell you that their estimates in San Antonio are typically within 20% of the actual value of the house. 20% is a huge range.
It certainly is, and in addition to that, Texas is what we call a non-disclosure state, meaning that we do not publish our sales prices.
Correct.
So Zillow has nothing to compare it to.
Right. They're using on-market data, so they're looking at houses that are currently listed, how long they've been on the market, how long it took for them to go under contract. They're looking at tax data, but they do not have sold data. So please do not think that your house is worth what Zillow says it is.
And talking about the tax assessment, they really go by only square footage of the house and square footage of the land, so that you can have two houses in the same neighborhood. They may have very different market values because one could need a lot of improvements and one maybe has many more improvements, even gold toilets.
Decked out to the nines, yes. So if you want to stay out of Limbo Land, contact us for a market analysis, and we'll get you an updated market value for your home after we've seen it and really compared your house against others. So if you'd like us to do that for you, leave us a comment, send us a message.